Today we're showing you a 1996 Ford New Holland 7740 tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor. It's the open operator platform. The tractor is a local one-owner trade-in. It's in really nice shape, as you can see. The paint is nice. It does have a couple small scuffs and scrapes on it, which is common for a tractor in this age range. A nice large toolbox on the side. It's got looks like 8 front weights here. Canopy top up top. Another toolbox here on the side. Looks like it was serviced at 1,520 hours. Tires are good. It's got the 18.4 34s. We did replace the rear rims on it. The previous rims had calcium. We removed the calcium, so the wheels are dry now, and they do have brand new rims on both sides. Telescopic arms. It's got the stabilizer bars, original top link, double rear hydraulics, work lights. It's got the SLE transmission. Got the Shuttle here. You can got the declutch button on the Shuttle as well as your Powershift transmission. You've got 8 total power shifts. High-low range to the far right. Currently has 1,565 hours on it. Those hours are believed to be accurate. Previous owner said the hours are absolutely right. The tractor looks like they are absolutely right as well. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. The tractor also will be inspected prior to delivery. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.